Watermelon salad recipe: feta and mint salad. Watermelon salad ingredients: watermelon 4 cups, cubed or balled. Feta cheese 1/2 cup, crumbled. Cucumber 1 medium, diced. Red onion 1/4 cup, thinly sliced. Fresh mint leaves 1/4 cup, chopped. Lime juice 2 tablespoons. Extra virgin olive oil 1 tablespoon. Salt and black pepper to taste. Instructions. Preparing the salad ingredients. 1. Cut the watermelon into bite-sized cubes and place them in a large salad bowl. 2. Add the crumbled feta cheese, sliced red onion, chopped fresh mint leaves, sliced black olives, and chopped fresh parsley to the bowl. 3. Gently toss the ingredients together to combine. Making the dressing. 1. In a small bowl, whisk together the extra virgin olive oil, fresh lemon juice, honey or maple syrup, salt, and freshly ground black pepper. 2. Continue whisking until the dressing is well combined. Dressing the salad. 1. Pour the dressing over the watermelon salad ingredients into the bowl. 2. Use salad tongs or a spoon to gently toss the salad, ensuring that all the ingredients are coated with the dressing. Watermelon salad serving. 1. If desired, serve the watermelon salad over a bed of arugula or mixed salad greens. 2. Garnish with additional fresh mint leaves and feta cheese, if desired. 3. Serve the watermelon salad immediately and enjoy its refreshing flavors. Conclusion. A watermelon salad is a refreshing and delightful dish that showcases the natural sweetness of watermelon. With the combination of juicy watermelon, savory feta cheese, tangy red onion, and fresh herbs, this salad is bursting with flavors. Customize it to your preference by adding additional ingredients such as arugula or mixed salad greens. So, grab a ripe watermelon, gather the ingredients, prepare the dressing, and indulge in the vibrant and refreshing flavors of this homemade watermelon salad. Watermelon salad calories. The calorie content of a watermelon salad can vary depending on the specific ingredients used and the portion size. However, I can provide you with a general estimation of the calories in a watermelon salad with the ingredients listed in the recipe above. Here is an approximate breakdown of the calorie content for a watermelon salad serving. 1. Cubed watermelon, 4 cups, approximately 150 to 200 calories. 2. Feta cheese, 1 cup, crumbled, approximately 300 to 400 calories. 3. Red onion, 1/2 cup, sliced, approximately 30 to 40 calories. 4. Fresh mint leaves, 1/4 cup, chopped, approximately 5 to 10 calories. 5. Black olives, 1/4 cup, sliced, approximately 30 to 40 calories. 6. Fresh parsley, 1/4 cup, chopped, approximately 5 to 10 calories. 7. For the dressing, the calorie content can vary based on the quantities used and the specific brand or recipe. 7. However, a typical dressing serving, 2 tablespoons, can range from 60 to 100 calories. Please note that these are general estimates and the actual calorie content may differ based on the specific ingredients and brands used. If you are concerned about the calorie content of your watermelon salad, it is recommended to check the nutrition labels of the ingredients you use or use a reliable online nutrition calculator to get a more accurate estimate. This table includes the main ingredients for a watermelon salad, including watermelon, feta cheese, cucumber, red onion, fresh mint leaves, lime juice, extra virgin olive oil, salt, and black pepper. You can adjust the quantities based on your preference and the number of servings you're making. Simply combine all the ingredients in a bowl and gently toss them together. Adjust the seasoning and dressing quantities to suit your taste. Enjoy this refreshing and sweet watermelon salad on a hot day.